Hello viewers, myself Deepak Chand Chandola with my newly launched YouTube channel Bringing Closer by DCC. Today I am here to discuss a newly launched product from Xiaomi Mi Fitband 3. The Fitband 3 you can order it from anywhere, Amazon or any other shopping channel. I ordered it from Amazon. So this is my product which I have ordered it from Mi. So this came in this packing. So this is the front look. The black portion over here is Fitband capsule. Now you can have a look over here how to open it. From here we are opening like this. So this is the black one. This is the Mi Fitband 3 capsule. We will open it from here. You will see inside what is it. Inside there is a band. The separate band is coming with it. This is very good, black in color. So it's very nice. Then inside there is a charger. And you can see this is a special charger. So how to do a charging? There is like for the charging you need to remove the capsule all the time, and inside it there is a user manual came along with it. Okay, we'll keep it aside and let's see how to fix the band. So this is here fixed. The back side you can see there is sensors available. These sensors are sensing everything for your body, like your body, your heart rate, your running, your cycling or your jogging, everything it is tracking. So it is opening like this. We have opened it. Okay, there is some battery available. So for charging, what you need to do, you need to see there are two dots. This is the connecting point for electricity. So this thing you need to fix it like this over here, like this, and put it for the charging in any USB plug. Then how to fix it in the band? You have to take a band like this. The portion, this portion will come on the bottom, and this is a button over here. This touch button will come on the down. So you will put it like this. Okay, then this, and it is fixed now. Now I'll show you what all the features available on this. So this is completely touch screen OLED display. So you can see that this is touch button. You can scroll like this. You can see the heart rate. You can check your heart rate anytime with the help of these sensors available. Let's suppose we want to check the heart rate. Okay, so this sensor will be activated. This green light is a sensing element. Then you can go next. You can see the steps. You can see weather you can see for 3 days, like this and this. Then you have to scroll up. Treadmill, if you are going for the treadmill you can do that. Then if you are doing the exercise you can select that, and then scroll up. There are notifications. There are many notifications are coming up. So next is you can clear anything. Then more, here you can select. For more you can select a lot of things over here like this. Stopwatch, if you want to find your device, if you have a screen, and about the device. So this is like this, and this is going back. This is the home screen. This is the home screen. We are reaching back. This is the here. So friends, this is our review today. How this product, did you like this product? Did you like my video? If you like, please like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.